This is grade 4, module 3, lesson 18, and the objective in this lesson is to find whole number quotients and remainders. So we're going to look at question number 5, and the directions for this say solve using the standard algorithm, and we're going to check your quotient and remainder by using multiplication and addition. So I have 79 divided by 5, okay, and 7 minus 5 is 2. I bring down the 9. How many groups of 5 can I make from 29? And that's 5. 5 times 5 is 25. I do my subtraction, and I have a remainder of 4. Now we're going to do the check. And we have our quotient of 15. We're going to multiply it by 5. And then we have to add our remainder, and our remainder is 4. And 79 is equal to 79, so that checks out. We're going to look at homework problem number 11. And again, we're solving using the standard algorithm. So I have 94 divided by 8. How many groups of 8 can I make out of 9? And that's 1. And bring down my 4, only 1 here. 8 is 6. So my remainder would be 6. Okay. To do the check, I have 11 times 8 is 88, and 88 plus 6 is 94. Okay. It checks out there, and this checks out here. Okay. Some of our students still are using the place value chart for that, but they, instead of using the discs, they've actually are using the digits. And I'm going to just do an example of that using question number 11 here. Okay, so here's my place value chart, and I have 94. So let me just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to be making 8 rows. Okay, let me just count those out. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. So once they have their 8 rows, they can go ahead and put their tens in each of the rows. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which takes care of 8 of them. I have one remaining 10 that I'm decomposing into 10 ones. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I won't have enough for another group, but I did use 8 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if I look at my remainder, I have a remainder of 6. And if I'm looking at the row, I have 1 10 and 1 1, which is equal to 11. And so our answer would be 11, remainder 6. Okay. So the shortcut that the students have been doing is they'll put just a 9 here, and they'll put a 4 here. Okay. So when they have a 9 here and they count these out, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this becomes, this takes care of this, and that one that was remaining they just brought over. So they used 8, and they had 1 remaining that went here, and they just put that in the tens place, and that became 14 ones. So when they did that, they would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so they would use 8, so the remaining would be 6, because it was 8, and they had 6 more. So 6 is what your remainder would be. When they looked at one of these rows, it was 11, and then your remainder was 6, so it's still 11, remainder 6. It's the same thing, but instead of using the place value discs or the dots, they're just using the actual digits.